Hello guys, today we'll discuss. Hello guys, today we will discuss about precision rectifier. So in first class we will discuss about non-inverting rectifier. Okay, so this is our fully totally simple circuit, and we are giving input in positive, that means non-inverting side, and the inverting side is connected uh, with V output, and here is a diode which is connected the output of op amp with V naught V output. So we know that for op amp Vx, that means Vx here, this is the voltage. The voltage here is represented by Vx. Vx is equal to open loop gain multiplied by voltage difference between non-inverting and inverting input. So for ideal op amp, we know that open loop gain is infinite. Okay, open loop gain is infinite. So what will happen in this case while the input is sine wave? We can see that for positive, for a sine wave, here is half signal is positive and another half is negative side. So in this case, V input is greater than 0. Okay, so we can say that V plus minus V negative is greater than 0. Why? Because V plus is V input and V minus is 0. Why 0? We can see that the VI, that means input voltage in inverting portion, is directly connected with the ground through a resistance R. So as initially there is no voltage, so obviously V minus will be 0 voltage. That's why the voltage difference is greater than 0. So as we know that Vx is equal to AOL gain, open loop gain, multiple voltage difference. So obviously here Vx will be plus infinite. Okay, because AOL is infinite and this is positive, so obviously that will be plus infinite. So if Vx is plus infinite, then obviously diode will be on, and that means current will flow through this diode. And in that case, the circuit is fully in operation. That's why V input will be seen at V output. That will follow the V input. V output will follow the V input. So for first half cycle, V output will be the same as V input. So what will happen in that another half wave, negative side? So in that case, we can say that V input is less than 0 and V positive minus V negative obviously will be less than 0, because this is V input and this is 0. Okay, that's why it is less than 0, and obviously Vx will be minus infinite. And if Vx is minus infinite, then obviously that will not be open, will not on. So that's why diode is now off. And if diode is off, then obviously V input and V output are not now in operation. So because this circuit is not uh, fully right. Okay, so that's why V output will not follow the V input. So in that case, V output will be 0. Okay, so this is called the non-inverting rectifier with op amp. Okay, that's pretty easy. Okay, thank you.